The EdgeStar full-size dual-tap built-in black stainless steel Kegerator. This attractive all-black dual-tap makes a nice addition to any commercial space or home. It's another winner from EdgeStar, and it has a wide temperature range of 32 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. The door is stainless steel, and there's a digital adjustable thermostat right on the front. All of this makes for an intuitive, user-friendly unit that'll be a welcome upgrade to your space. Most important, of course, is the cooling system. Forced air refrigeration ensures that your beer stays optimally cold and fresh. The air-cooled beer tower is a nice touch, too. The reversible door gives you some options on your door swing. Conveniently, the unit can be placed either under a counter or built into cabinetry. The interior has bright LED lighting and a reinforced stainless steel floor. It also includes a surface-mounted drip tray and stainless steel fixtures. Some nice additional features include recessed door handles and a safety lock. EdgeStar can always be counted on to serve up ice-cold beer. The EdgeStar full-size dual-tap is no exception, and it gets bonus points for its easily adjustable unit settings. Overall, the EdgeStar full-size dual-tap has a lot to offer in the way of preserving your beer at exactly the right temps. Now here's some pros. It has a safety lock, the adjustable thermostat, bright interior LED lighting, and forced air refrigeration. Now for a con. Inside delivery is not available.